Okay, so I ordered the Logitech Pro X2 Lightspeed from Amazon. The reason I ordered from Amazon is because there was a big discount for a brand new item. Okay, I had the option to get refurbished or brand new. So this is the box I received. First thing I noticed when it came here, see these stickers? They were over here, but they were like off-centered from the underneath sticker. And when I looked in the corner, the underneath sticker was broken. Over here and over here. And there was multiple stickers on top. As you can see, this is the stickers I took off, right? I took these off, took this off, and right there, there's still another sticker. So right off the bat, this one right here, by the way, this one here was broken. It was broken like that. That's how I received it. So I opened the box. As you can see, this is exactly how it was. Looks fine, right? This is the USB dongle. So right off the bat, I was already like suspicious about this box because to me it looks like the box has been opened. When you look on this USB, I don't know if you guys can tell, you can see the marks on that metal. Let me see if I can get it to, there you go. See the mark on that? This has been plugged in. This has been used or plugged into a USB. So I noticed that, and then I opened the headphone. Alright, let me try and do this with one hand here. Take this off. And this was the next thing I noticed. So you guys can see, this side still got the sealing plastic, and this side doesn't have one. It's not in here. I already looked. I already looked here. I looked in here. Didn't see anything. Let me put this over here. And then I grabbed this box that's in the middle. As you can see, there's literally a rip right there on the inside of the box. See that right there? That's a rip, like something with pressure was put on it that caused it to rip. Now, I'm assuming that they sent a refurbished headphones instead of a brand new one. I bought a brand new one, by the way, so I did contact Amazon support. He asked for pictures. The link that he sent only accepted 5 pictures at a time, so he had to send a second link. The first set of pictures was with the stickers, you know, and he tried telling me that this is a new item, that it's not refurbished. I was argumentative with him. I was like, there's no way that this is brand new. This is all this has been open, right? The headphones, they look good. I mean, they look good, right? But it's not the point. If you buy something new, you expect to get something new with the sealed box from the factory, right? You don't want to get something refurbished if you're buying something new. It's just wrong. If I wanted refurbished, I would have paid $150 for it through Amazon, not $270. So, yeah. So I called them, took a while. He tried telling me it was new. I argued back and I showed him the rest of the pictures. Eventually he saw this and he, you know, missing plastic there and the crushed box, the rip on the side there, and the USB dongle marks. So he caved and he said he's going to send a replacement. But I just want to make this video to make people aware that I'm not sure if this was sold through Amazon or if it's a seller selling in Amazon, but this is not right. You don't do this. This is just morally wrong to sell a refurbished item as new. But yeah, just want to make this video, and be careful out there when you order stuff from Amazon, especially if the deal seems good, because this did have a discount. It was $270, but it was discounted at $230, so that's how much I paid for it. Brand new, not refurbished. All right. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. One more thing I would like to point out. So first, if anybody's got this headphones brand new, maybe from Best Buy, I'd like your opinion on this, okay? Did your USB come in this little plastic? I'm only wondering because this is how it was, just like this, when I opened the box. It's right there in the center, right? But then I noticed right here, there's a little symbol right here showing a USB dongle and a little box right on the corner, right? Which you can pull that box out right there. So I'm wondering, is the USB supposed to be in there, not in here? Is like, I'm confused. Is this a sign that it, like, can you guys tell me in the comments if you bought one of these? Was it inside one of these right here?